A miter saw comes in both corded and cordless versions, and both have their advantages, and you should choose one that suits your projects. In this video, I am going to give you an impartial review when I am covering 5 best miter saws 2024 in the market, which are the best for you. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether it's price, performance, or its particular user use. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started. Number 1. Craftsman CMCM714M1 V27 1/4-inch miter saw kit. Craftsman CMCS714M1 is a high-speed, powerful miter saw from Craftsman. The main advantage of this saw is the high RPM motor and cut capacity. Also, with the miter saw, you get the battery and charger. Build quality and portability. Craftsman CMCM714M1 is a stainless steel made miter saw that is durable and compact to take a consistent work overload. As the cordless model and compact design, this saw is much more lightweight to carry outside working places. Battery capacity, you can use a 20V battery in this saw, and with the powerful 3,800 RPM motor, it's easy to cut 2x dimensional lumber. Also, depending on the material size, you can make up to 585 cuts on a single charge. Cutting capacity, you can easily make cross cuts, miter, and bevel cuts on this saw. On cross cuts, you can easily make a max of 8 inches at 90 degrees and 5/1/2 inches at 45 degrees. Also, miter cuts can be done from 45 to 90 degrees, and with a single bevel, you can make cuts up to 47 degrees. Number 2. Evolution Power Tools R185SMS714 compound sliding miter saw. R185SMS is a versatile multi-material corded miter saw from Evolution Power Tools. The main advantage of this miter saw is the high torque motor, cutting capability on both left and right and forward and backwards, laser guidance, and safety features. Build quality and portability. R185SMS is a stainless steel made miter saw that is durable and reliable for long usage. This is a compact and lightweight saw to carry anywhere, but as for the corded saw, you need a power connection to work. Motor. This saw uses a powerful 10-amp high-torque motor, and the gearbox is well optimized to give different power outputs on different materials to make cuts on any material easily. This is a multi-material miter saw. This provides different outputs to cut wood, composite decking, ferrous material, non-ferrous material, laminates, and plastics easily. Cutting lines. This R185SMS saw uses a laser that projects a line onto the workpiece to give you accurate mapping to get the precious cutting. Number 3. DeWalt DCS361M1 20V Max 714-inch miter saw. DCS361M1 is another compact cordless miter saw from DeWalt. This saw is a little heavier than the DeWalt DCS361 Billion and has some more upgrade features like an integrated cut line cross-cut positioning system for more accurate and quick cuts. Build quality and portability. The whole structure of DeWalt DCS361M1 is made of stainless steel, which makes it durable enough to handle a heavy workload. Also, it's a cordless saw, and the design is compact, making it lightweight and portable anywhere to work easily. Battery capacity. This DeWalt miter saw can use one 20V max battery pack, enough to have multiple cuts. On average, depending on the material size, you can make 180 to 275 cuts in one charge. Cutting capacity, you can do cross cuts, miter cuts, bevel cuts, and trim works easily on it. Number 4. General International MS3002714 compound sliding miter saw. MS3002 is a corded compact sliding miter saw from General International. This saw's main advantage is its powerful motor and ability to cut through various materials. Build quality and portability. MS3002 is a stainless steel made durable and compact miter saw. For its lightweight and compact design, you can easily carry it anywhere. Number 5. Ryobi 714 in miter saw. This is a compact corded powerful miter saw from Ryobi. This saw is capable of generating high RPM, and its 24-teeth blade provides fast and clean cuts on any surface. With the miter saw, you get a dust bag, blade wrench, and work clamp. This miter saw stainless steel build makes it durable and usable for a long time. This saw is compact and lightweight to portable anywhere, but you need electricity to run it as it is a corded miter saw.